Aloha! Students can book their own tutoring appointments on Star Balance. Start by clicking the Make an Appointment link on this page. Once you click on that link, that will take you to the Star Balance login page. Click Enter and log in using your UH username, the same way you do with your UH email. Once you log in, it will take you to this screen. On the left-hand side of the page, click on Tutoring, Tech, and Learning Center. You may have to click this button for UHWO no EA Center Tutoring as well. This pop-up shows tips for scheduling. After that, go to the filter area and choose the course or subject you're looking for help with. When you click on the drop-down menu, you can choose from a variety of courses. For this example, I will choose BUSA 300. Once you have chosen your course, tutor's name will appear as well as the appointment time blocks you can choose from. You cannot make an appointment in time blocks that are grayed out, so click on the arrow and find appointment availability for future weeks. Here, you can see a 7-day view of the calendar. For example, if I want the first available appointment, I would click on the blue appointment block and make my appointment there. On the top, there are different courses this tutor can help you with. If there are multiple tutors available to tutor in the same time slot, you can choose which tutor you would like to help you with your coursework. We recommend trying a variety of tutors to figure out which one is best for you. They all have different experiences as students, so they may be able to provide you with different insights. You can choose the time length of your appointment, but we recommend that appointments be booked for 1 hour. As a student, you are allowed 2 hours of tutoring per class per week. Next, choose your attendance type. We offer appointments through online chat, in person, or by phone. Last but not least, in the comments area, please provide some information on what you would like help with so the tutor can best know how to help. In this example, I need help with my thesis and organization. Once you click Submit, you will receive an email confirmation of your appointment. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to get your appointment booked. Thank you for watching.